of the following line type is a hidden line? Which one of these three is hidden? So the answer will be the dashed line is hidden line. The next, which of the following line type is a center line among these three? So the answer will be the middle one, the long chain line. Which of the following line type is a phantom line among these three? So the phantom line is the right hand side one. Next, which is the following line type is dimension and extension line? The dimension is shown with the help of arrow, so this will be the answer. Which of the following line type is cutting plane line? Cutting plane line is the most darkest line and it represented by with the help of phantom line, so answer will be the first one. Next, which of the following line type is a section line? Section line, we are using hatching line and with the lines parallel to each other, so this will be the answer. Which of the following line type is a break line? We are using curvy line to show the continuous arcs. The continuation is represented with the help of break line, so this will be the answer. Let us take one more example, that how the different types of lines are used on a single drawing. So observe the difference between these lines. So these two lines are hidden lines. This is shown with the arrow in particular one direction to cut this geometry in the center. So this is our cutting plane line. This is drawn 45 degree. So this hatching represent the section line. This is our center lines and this line represents the edges of the hole and the geometry. So these are the visible lines. So altogether it gives us these isometric views. So observe these different types of lines and what is the difference between them. Now we are starting missing views. So let us plot orthographic views in this given space. So the top view will be the yellow portion. So fill the visible line into this box. It can be drawn with the help of these lines. So these are the visible edges. So we used continuous line in order to create this orthographic. Fill the visible line in front of this view, thus this will be front view. So the blue portion will be the front view. So we are using all visible line to create the front view, and the right hand side will be represented with the help of red color. So this will be the right hand side view. As these all lines are visible, it is continuous edges line. Now fill the hidden lines. So what will be the hidden line or say dashed line in front, top and right hand side views? So let us see the top view. This edge is hidden, so this has to be hidden line. In front view the whole is not visible, so here it will be the hidden line. And from the right hand side view, this portion, this slot is hidden, so the first we are drawing the hidden line here and here to represent this slot and the hole which is throughout. So on the top and bottom same as in front view to represent the hidden lines. So this is the exercise of missing line. Next, draw the center line of all for the all views. So where the center line will be, so we have holes here, so we need center line here. So here it will be the center line, and we are drawing in continuous to show, and this line is aligned. So notice the small dashes crosses at the middle. So this is very important. And then all the dashes to represent at the center. Let us take one more orthographic projection. So what are the rules to be followed in order to create the lines and its use? So the following rules will help us to create the line that is communicate effectively. So rules for the dimensions. So for the hidden line, represent the edges and boundaries that cannot be seen, as we have seen. So creating hidden line, the line should always begin and end with the dashes, like this. And exception will be when the hidden line begins or ends at the parallel, visible or hidden line. So this will be the exception. Next, the dashes should join at the corner. So the corner should be joined here, as we can see. Then the center line represents the axis of symmetry. So this is very important for interpreting a cylinder shapes that we are going to use in the projection of solids. So to represent a cylinder, we also use the center line in this manner. And they are also used to indicate the circle of center and path of a motion. For example, this way, to show the path of the bar. And center line can be used to show the multiple centers of a circle. So this is the circle of centers, and the center line should start and end with the long dashes. So it always start with the long dash rather than a small one. So the center line should intersect by crossing either long dashes or short dashes. Can be both way, it will be true. The center line should extend a short distance beyond the object or feature. So it should be extended here as shown. So up to here it will be incorrect. This will be the correct. It should extend at all the edges. Then center lines may be connected within a single view to show that two or more features lie in the same plane. So, and use of phantom line that we use to indicate the repeated details. This we are going to use the phantom line in order to repeat the object, to show the repetition, and also they are used to show change in a surface as shown here. Also phantom line used to indicate the alternate position of the moving parts. So this part is moving, so we are using phantom line to show the alternate positions of a moving parts. Phantom line should be start with the long dash and finish with the long dash. So two dash will be in the middle. the use of break line again. So the break lines are used to show the imaginary breaks in the object. So these lines represent the imaginary break. So this will be a break line to show the section. So these are two types of the break lines, and the long dashes, it also represented the continuation. So this is the long, distance, thin. So these were the types of lines and its uses. We will see that how to create a orthographic projection. Let us see a video that how to produce animation. So as we seen the vertical and horizontal plane, this is our geometry. So all the edges and points that we have to draw has to be marked, and this will be our front view and this will be our top view. So in front view, all the projectors are parallel to each other from all the points has to be drawn. So this will be a front view. And for the top view, we are using the same width. So the same, if the observer is watching from here, this will be front view. The distance can be infinite, and this is our top view. All the projectors will be perpendicular to the front view. So these are the two main views, front view and top view. And now let us see the four quadrants. So this is our horizontal and vertical planes. We will mark as VP and HP, and this will be our X and Y lines. So our first quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth quadrants. So let us see what is the profile plane. This will be auxiliary vertical plane, or say profile plane. So auxiliary vertical plane will be parallel to each other. One will give us left hand side view and another will be right hand side view. So let us imagine the 3D object in a box. So hence we get the front view, or say elevation, on the VP and the top view on the HP. So this will be our top view plan. So in this box, this is our first angle projection. Opposite to that, this will be our third angle projection, where the front view is obtained below XY line. So this is the basic difference. The object is above XY and in front of VP. And in third angle, it is below XY line and behind the VP. So the observer is below XY line. So this is the main difference of between the first angle and third angle. So today we have seen how to create orthographic projection and what are the basic elements of the orthographic projection. We have also seen various types of lines and its uses. So we mainly understood that how to create orthographic projection 2D from 3D figure. In the next session we will see how to create 3D view from orthographic 2D views. Thank you for now.